I'm ready. Tell me another story.
Okay. No, you have to do cheese, okay?
Okay.
Cheese!
Okay.
Cheese!
Okay, once upon a time.
Once upon a time, there's a witch glowing in the sun, and he fell into the flower, and he broke head on the sidewalk, and he's bleeding, and he went in the car and drive home.
Whoa.
And he went into the grass, and he went into it and dig.
You started digging?
Yeah, he started digging, and he fly like he's Superman.
Then what happened?
He fell on the sidewalk and went into, and the buck had the water into the sky, and he went into through the trees. That what happened. And then when the flowers were there, and when hit the buttons cut, and what the hell, and instead of that brick, and when the egg did come out, okay?
Is that the end?
Yeah.
What's that story called?
The witch flies and to go hit the dirt.
The witch flies and hits the dirt.
No. Went into the car, and a bunk his head on the sidewalk. Now.
That's a long title.